we are at the Everglades Alligator Farm. So, Alligator Farm is a place where baby alligators hatch. So I can't wait to go inside and say hi to all the baby gators. And this is Bablu's activity, Bablu's favorite activity. So let's see the gators. Look at this. There's a gator. So realistic. Woo. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Dude, that's how people say they're
Hey Sanjay, it's fake.
It's real or not.
Yeah, I know, right? It almost looks realistic. Look at this one. Like literally, it looks like it's about to eat a bird or something. They have like the gator heads of 12 feet long gators. Oh my goodness. These are wow. It feels like dog teeth. Fuck. Big. Wow. They also have a bunch of gator heads and baby gator toys. Lot of cool gator merch, more and more baby gator heads. And look at this, 7 foot long gator heads.
And where's the?
They also have like a claw.
Yeah, it's right there.
And both
Sure.
the shows at this.
No, there's 12 and then this one's at 1. You want to see that?
So before the alligator farm baby alligator show starts, we have some time. So we are going around and exploring the nice, beautiful reserve they have built. They have emus, they have parrots, they have snakes. I can't wait to see all of it. Oh, look at this beautiful park. Lots of fish and turtles. Man, this looks so deep actually. Like it doesn't look like it, but it's deep. Look at all that fish over there. Look at this. Lots and lots of baby gators. They're all swimming and chilling over there. We are here at the Eagle Owl. It's very, very cool. Look at this big owl. It almost looks like the same owl from Hogwarts. It's daytime, so he's sleeping kind of. Hello. So pretty. So here we have what they call as caiman. The difference between crocodile and caiman is crocodiles grow extraordinary length, whereas caiman's maximum length is limited to 6 feet. So look at these. Both of them are olive in color. So looks wise they look all the same, but length wise they don't grow too long. I can't believe this, guys. Look at how many number of alligators we have over here. This is crazy, crazy. Turns out we actually have these alligators. They're fed by guinea pigs. Can you believe that? Oh, I'm sorry, guinea pigs. I'm sorry. When they are not moving, they almost look like they're statues. They don't look real. Oh.
That's how people put babies on.
I know. We were just like coming back from the trail, right? The ranger over there was telling us that some parents put their babies on top of gators to click a picture. Can you believe that? Yeah, and their excuse is that they didn't think it was real. Oh my god. I surely won't want to put like any baby over a gator.
Sanjay, look
Will
at
the baby even live?
Sanjay, look at the Jitendra over there.
So Bablu calls every gator as a Jitendra because he loves his friend Jitendra so much. So which one, Bablu, do you want me to see?
That one looks like Jitendra over there.
Which one? There's too many. That one on this.
There are two Jitendras.
Now you know, guys, for Bablu every gator is a Jitendra. Holy fuck, guys, look at this one. He looks so aggressive. Guys, we keep coming across these statue gators. They look so fucking real. These look more freakish than actually the real gators. Look at that, babies. They're shy. They're going back to the water. But look at how many of them are there. Here we're seeing the Orinoco crocodile. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, he's huge. If you see close, you can even see his tongue moving. Wow. We have the American crocodile.
Dude, this guy will be like 7'5" or something.
They're saying 21 feet.
No, this is not 21 feet.
Look at this, guys. They have scarlet, blue, and gold macaw. They look so pretty. Look at them. They're not even caged. They're in open space. We even have some cuckoos coming and having some water from here, and turtles chilling with along with all the birds. So nice. All different colors. They even have an anaconda here. Wow. I first thought he's a python, but no, he's not. It's an anaconda.
Sometimes our second thoughts are anacondas, first thought is the Gujarat.
Pythons over here. So pretty. Here we have a reticulated python, beautiful and white. So there you can see his face. What you're seeing here is a huge 14-foot long alligator. Look at the huge skin. So pretty. Wow. Literally, he's this tall.